Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. So this week we're keeping it keto, but we're going to have some fun this week. We're going to make an interesting keto treat that you can enjoy in between meals without worrying about messing up your keto diet. Keto cookie dough bites. Come follow me along in this video. I'll show you how we made it. My God, what did you eat? Okay, we're going to start with the mixing bowl. Add 1 stick of softened and unsalted butter. We're supposed to beat this until it's white and fluffy. I don't know. You tell me. Does that look white and fluffy? I guess so. We're going to add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 of a cup of Stevia. Remember, this is a keto recipe. Going to mix that together. And now we're going to slowly add 2 cups of almond flour to our cookie dough recipe. Add a little bit, mix a little bit. Looks like we're done mixing. We're going to push this together with a spatula. Looks like cookie dough, huh? Now we're going to add the sugar-free chocolate chips. But take a close look. That's not real morsels. That's sugar-free chocolate candy that's been cut apart. And there's my camera shy helper cutting apart the chocolate bars earlier. She doesn't know I got her, but she did. Now we're going to fold those chocolate bites into the cookie dough. Put that in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. Now a sheet of parchment paper. There's your cookie dough. Roll them up into cookie dough balls. She's making them kind of big, so I got to pitch in and help her and show her to make them a little bit smaller. I think she wanted to get done a little quicker. I had to help her out and make them smaller. There we go. Cookie dough bites. Now I forgot the cookie sheet. Well, good thing I had an extra set of hands here, huh? Alright, let's spread these all around. Put them into the refrigerator. Finish the job. There you go, guys. Cookie dough bites. It's actually not bad. It takes a bit of getting used to that stevia. I use stevia because that's what I found on the shelf. So if you're not a stevia fan, you might want to try another brand of sweetener. But all in all, a nice little treat for in between your keto meals. And as you saw in the video, I had fun making it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button, subscribe, share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.